Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper. And you guys, look at where I went. It's not a huge haul, but it's good enough. And I had a fun time. And I was in California, so it was a new store for me. So let me go ahead and show you. Oh my goodness, the fall is already out. Look at all these beautiful flowers. What's this one? Bittersweet. We got those. We got some mums. Really pretty. I think these are mums as well. They're two different types, two different colors as well, and I liked them both. And then we've got these guys, which these are mums as well. So they're all labeled as mums, but they're all three different. So I grabbed those, and then I just fell in love with these little guys. And these are sunflower bouquet. So I got those for a little DIY. And then look at this. How adorable is this? It's a pen with a mermaid tail. And these three colors here, it's the pink, blue, and green, but they also have some yellow and blue, green and purple, all kinds of really pretty colors. I also got this for a DIY. It's a desktop garden flag. So I hadn't seen these anywhere. I haven't seen anybody haul them, but I think I can make something really cute with this little desktop garden flag. I also grabbed this, which I've seen these around. I even have some, but I hadn't seen this one, so I thought it was cool. This is the home, a place or feeling of belonging, a gathering place for friends and family. Isn't that cute? Very cute, very cute. And then this little guy, it's a little tiny plunger, and it is, you guys, it's not for the toilet, I don't think. That's not what it, but sometimes I have to plunge a little, like in the sink. So I think this will be perfect. And then I've also been looking at it, what kind of DIY, because you never know. I always grab some scissors when I need some, and so these work really well. I haven't had any problems with mine at all. I hit up the candy aisle because I saw these. These are limited edition. It says Harvest Caramels, Caramel Apple, Soft Caramels. So Werther's, hello. That's great. I picked up a couple of these jute cords. They are wired, so you can bend them and they stay. So I think this is really cool. Just right now when I said that you can bend them, DIYs popped into my head, so we'll see what happens with those. I also picked this guy up. Not a fan of the gold, but it is a Shadowbox. And it says, "You've got this." So I thought that was cool. And so I'll make a little DIY with that. Probably get rid of the gold. These are 3 jumbo paper clips with the little twirls. Now they're not perfect. They are a little bit wonky. And so I have to make them perfect, I think. Because like you could see this one, it just needs to be kind of molded back into shape there. But 3 for $1 and those big, I think that's a really good idea there. Oh, I picked up a couple of these, one for each of the grandbabies. I think I'll have them over one day. They're really into dinosaurs. So let's see, this is a gemstone excavation. So I grabbed a couple, one for each. And we'll find out what's in them. And only a couple more things here. This was a chicken soup for the soul. Miraculous messages of love from beyond. It's a little teeny tiny book, but I thought that was super cute. I love chicken soup for the soul. That's why I'm like, yep, this is so adorable because it's so teeny tiny. It'll fit in your purse and have it right then and there. And then finally, if you guys watch my aunt, her channel, the Bijou Baker, she does a lot of decorating of her mixers. So I grabbed her this towel. It says just beat it. And it's got a mixer on it. And I just think this is super cute. So picked this up. It was only $1. But that's everything I got. My favorite item. What would be my favorite item? I think because, you know what is my favorite item? I was going to say this is because it was all about home, friends, and family. But then, as I went forward, I saw this, and it's super cute. I love it so much. So you tell me what your favorite item is in the comments right here down below. And then also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Click the bell button because I'm going to be making something with some of these items here. And I don't want you to miss it. Alright, beauties, thank you so much for watching my channel. I appreciate you for everything you are. And I hope you have a wonderful day. And I'll talk to you later. Bye!